Okay. If I want to print a for loop for here, how many times good morning gets executed? 6 times. If I want to execute for 100 times or 500 times or 1000 times, I said we should go for range function, right? Range. For generating range of values. For generating range of n. For example, range x equal to range of 10. What you are trying to assign to x? Range. For example, if you are assigning 10 to x, what type it is? Okay. If I'm assigning 10 to x, it is integer type. If I'm assigning 4.5, it is float type, right? If I'm assigning a range of 10 values, it will be range type only. X comma type of x. X comma type of x is what type? Type of x will be range type. Okay. So if I say print x, observe this one second. Run module. It won't print the values, 10 values. Instead, it will say range of 0 comma 10. What type? Range times. So applying for loop on this x for p in x, print p. What is the first p value? 0. Next p value 1, 2, 3 up to 9, n minus 1, 0 to 9. So 10 times for loop executes, it ranges the values from 0 to 9. If I use 100 here, 0 to 99, right? No, see this example too. Y equal to range of 10 comma 20. Y equal to range of 10 comma 20. For p in for q, you can say not only p, you can take any variable, right? For q in y, print q. What is the q value? First q value it takes 10. Next 11 up to 19. 10 to 19 it takes, right? Run more. 10 to 19. 10 to 19, right? Now see this example 3. Z equal to range of x equal to range of 20 to 30 comma 2. What is this? First one is start value. Next one is stop value. Last is what? Step value or increment by 2. Means what is that output? 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30 excluded. Now say for all in Z, print all. No, see the values 20, 22, 24, 26, and 28. Observe this example 4. Fine. Next, see the example 4. For example, W equal to range of yes. Yeah. Yeah. Today I'll forward all the remaining videos. I'll download and forward it. What we have discussed previously. Range of 40 comma 30 comma -1. Okay. What is this? 40 to 30 with a decrement of 1. With a decrement of 1. Okay. For S in W, print S. Run module. 40, 39, 38, 37, 31, right? 40 to 31. Decrement 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 31, right? Okay.
So what minus 1 plus 1?
See here 10 comma 20 by default it will be 1. Here by default 10 comma 20 comma 1. By default if you're not giving anything it will be 1. Understand? 10, 11, 12, 13 up to 19. Otherwise if you want 2 you can give 2. If you want 3 means 20, 23, 26, 29. You minus 1 decrements. Okay, fine. Now control S. Now I'm copying this entire program. Shortcut to this. I'll just show you the shortcut for this, right? For example, X value is 10. I want to print a 10. In the output, I want a 10. So directly what you will do, X equal to 10 and you will say print X, right? But instead of 10 directly, I can say print a 10. X equal to 10, print X. Print a 10. Directly, I can say print a 10 instead of assigning this 10 to instead of assigning this to X, I can say printing X. Right? Okay. X equal to range of 10. Instead of assigning this range to X, again giving this X here directly, can I give here for P in range of 10? Right? X equal to range of 10 here. What is the first P value it takes? 0, 1, 2, up to 9. So no need to provide this, right? Removing this. Similarly, instead of assigning this range to Y, again printing this Y here. Y come for Q in range of 10 to 29 comma 20, right? For Q in range of 10 comma 20. Right? And here, instead of assigning this range to Z, and giving this directly, I can give this range here, right? Range of 20 comma 30 comma 2, right? No need to give all this. No need of this entire line. Here also, instead of assigning this range to W, giving the W here, directly I can provide range of 40 comma 30 comma minus 1. run module. Here colon is required, right? Colon is required. Here also colon required. Okay. Zero to 9, 10 to 19, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, and 40 to 31, right? Finish writing, write this. Fine. The same output you get. Run module. 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 40 to 31. Okay, fine. Now we'll see some examples on this range function. Some examples on this range, right? Now see, printing a message for 100 times using printing a message. For 100 times. Printing a message for 100 times. For P in for P in range of 100, can I say 100 times it executes? 0 to 99 means 100 times, right? Otherwise 1 comma 101. Print only. for p in range of 100 times. Now, printing numbers from 1 to 100. Printing numbers from 1 to 100. Try to say how to printing numbers from 1 to 100. One to 100, right? Printing numbers from 1 to 100. I want only even values from 1 to 100. How can I print? Printing only even values. Say, yeah. So for p in range of 0, comma 2, right? 0, comma 100, comma 2. Okay. Print means 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, this way, right? Run module. 98, right? Up to this. 0, 2, 4, 6, up to 98. Odd values. If I want to print odd values, that's it. Printing only odd values from 1 to 100. Okay, instead of here, keep 1. 1 to 100 with a step of 2. Fine. Run model. Only odd numbers from 1 to 100. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 24, 31, 33, 37, 39, 41, 40 in this way. Okay. Next, printing multiplication table of any number. For example, enter a number. I'll enter 5. Fifth table, that multiplication table printed. If I enter 13, 13th multiplication table to be printed. Multiplication table of a printing a multiplication table of a number. Okay. N equal to enter that number first. Int of input enter value of n. Input enter a number. Enter a number, right? Int of input enter a number. I want output like this. Five into one equal to 5. Okay, I want output like this. So first 5 into 1 equal to 5. So here, how many, every multiplication table will have how many rows? 10 rows, right? For P in a range of, yes, for P in range of 1. Start with 1 comma 11. Means up to 10 it takes. Print first. 5 means what? N. Next, what you want to print? This X. The symbol means within a this one, right?
Yes.
Next comma, next one means what? P. P takes one, right? Comma 5 means En into P. And before that equal to I want. Next, N value will be 5 into P value takes 2. 5 into 2 value 10. Next, P value takes 3. 5 into 3 equal to 15. Then P takes 4 is. That's it. Only 2 lines. 2 lines code. Print multiplication tables. Okay, observe this output once. Run module. Enter a number. Fine. Fifth table is printed, right? Now enter a table 13. 13th table is printed, right? Finished. Let first. Next, nested for loop. Next is nested for loop. For loop within a for loop. Observe this. Nested for loop. For loop within a for loop. Okay. For example, for I in range of 1, 4. For j in range of 1, 4. Print hello. How many times this hello will be printed? The 4 excludes 9 times. I want to print in the single line. Just I'm saying print. Control S. Okay. Now series of TND equal to space means hello space. Next second hello, third hello. See, okay. Now first observe this output. Later I'll just show you this. 3, 3, 3, right? 9. How you got this? Because observe this. When I value equal to 1, When I value is 1, J block executes for how many times? 3 times. When I value equal to 1, J block executes for 3 times. Prints 3 allows, right? In the same line. Here, same line. After that, print means goes to the next line. When I value equal to 2, when I value equal to 2, it prints for 3 times again, right? When I value equal to 1, 3 times. When I value equal to 2, 3 times. When I value equal to 3, 3 times. 3 times here. J equal to 1, J equal to 2, J equal to 3. J equal to 1 prints hello. J equal to 2 prints hello. J equal to 3 prints hello. Understood? Here, I equal to 1, the inner for loop J executes for 3 times. Prints hello for the first time, later space. Again, J executes for the second time, J executes for third time. Understood everyone this coding? File, new file. Okay, next. The same thing I'll copy and paste. Control V, yes. Now in this case, if I instead of hello, if I print I, what is the output you get? Yes. When I value is 1, J block executes for 3 times. When J equal to 1, prints I value, that is what? 1. When J equal to 2 also, prints 1, I value. When J equal to 3 also prints. After printing for 3 times, it comes out, go to the next line. Then I value becomes 2. When I value is 2, again J block executes for 3 times and prints 2, 2, 2, right? Prints I value 2, 2. Next, when I value is 3, this block execute for 3 times. Yes. 3, 3, 3. Understood now? How you got this output? This output should be in comment, multi-line comment. Okay, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. Understood everyone? The same example. Instead of 5, print j values. Then when j equal to 1 prints 1, j equal to 2 prints 2, j equal to 3 prints 3, right? Here also when I value is 2, when j equal to 1 prints 1, when j equal to prints 2, j equal to 3 prints 3. Understood now? 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, right? Previously 1 1 1 2 2 2 3. Now it's 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, fine. Run module should be close to it. Run module. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, right? Understood? Nested for loop range functionality. How this for loop is different as compared with C or Java syntax. How it can be applied on list, how it can be applied on string, how it can be applied on range function, and how this range function and examples on this range and nested for loop. Okay. The next class I'll be discussing about while loop in Python.
While loop is
Hmm?
while
While else, break statement, continue statement, pass statement. We have got some statements, but for loop only is mostly used. For loop is only mostly used in our applications, right? Any queries you got?